Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to make capsicum rice. Ingredients are 2 medium onion sliced, 3 to 4 capsicum sliced and dry coconut powder. 1 cup of rice which was soaked in water for 30 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Add 3 to 4 small cinnamon sticks. Add onion, cook until it gets light brown color. Add capsicum and saute it for 2 minutes. Now I am adding half tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of chili powder and give it a nice mix. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Cook until capsicum becomes tender. Now add salt for taste. Mix it well. Don't overcook the capsicum, it should be crunchy. Add some grated coconut powder. And give it a nice mix and saute for 1 minute. Now transfer this into a plate. In same pan, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 2 cloves and add 1 bay leaf. Now add 1 cup of soaked rice and give it a nice mix and saute it for 1 minute in that ghee and add 2 cups of warm water or boiled water. Add some salt for taste and give it a mix and cover it with lid.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Now rice is perfectly cooked and mix it well. And now I am adding with this capsicum mixture into the rice and give it a mix. And our capsicum rice is ready. It's ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.